I'm going to be opening up 3 of these Burning Shadows packs. I have a good feeling about this one, so I'm going to put this to the back. And let's just open up the first pack. Okay. Got it open. Okay. Got it open. 1 card trick. Coming right up. And then Field Blower, Talo, and a reverse hollow. Okay, not bad, not bad. Second pack. Let's do this. There we go. Cut the pack open. Nice and easy. Yeah, sure, just open it like that. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. 1 switcheroony. Okay, energy. Machop. And just a regular rare. Alright, last pack. I said I felt good about this one. So, let's see.
How do you know how much it costs?
1 switcheroony.
Huh?
Okay, Beware, Alolan Geodude, and another reverse. So, I didn't get good luck. I've never gotten good luck from Guardians Rising, only from Unified Minds. In all, these were $4, and I made a profit of $1, and that's it. I don't normally do this, but hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did enjoy it, then like it.